Hi everyone, it's Jenna from Farmer John's Greenhouse, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this normal pie pumpkin into your very own pumpkin puree. This is so great to cook with, so let's get started. You're going to want to take a pie pumpkin. We have a bunch of these at Farmer John's, and if yours is painted like little Frankie over here, all you're going to want to do is completely wash off the paint. Make sure it's non-toxic paint, and then you can also skin the skin of the pumpkin before you start. Take your pie pumpkin, cut it right in half. Make sure not to cut through the stem, and you'll just want to cut it halfway. We have my assistant right here who's cutting the pumpkin for us. We're just going right in half, then you'll open it up to see all that goodness. After you finish cutting it, we're just scooping out what's inside, also known as the pumpkin guts, but save those seeds because we'll use those later. When you're done, cut off that stem. Just make sure it doesn't go in the oven with you. You're gonna wanna lightly salt it, and when that's done, put both of these on parchment paper on a baking sheet at 400 in the oven for about 45 to an hour until you can take a fork and poke the pumpkin with it and it comes out soft. We have our pumpkins ready on a tray. Make sure they are cut side down, and now they're ready for the oven. After you take them out of the oven, just make sure they're cool enough to the touch before you go further. You'll know when it's ready because you'll be able to peel off the skin. I'll put that pumpkin in a food processor and blend it all until it makes your pumpkin puree, usually about 3 to 5 minutes of blending. And that's all for this pumpkin puree recipe. Make sure to put it in an airtight container and store it. You can also make these wonderful snickerdoodle pumpkin cookies that we made in our last video. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you soon. Bye!